I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for Tuesday, April 20th, 2021. All right, market is getting knocked down a little bit this morning. Let's just check out the SPY chart. And yeah, we're stuck in between. Gonna kind of zoom in for you. Oh, that didn't work out. Sorry about that. Hold on. See if I can zoom in here. There we go. Yeah, we're stuck in between the 4 and the 8 EMA. All right, we're kind of stuck in the middle there. So that could be a tough place until we either break above that 4 EMA again, or we break below the 8 EMA. So keep that in mind this morning. Bearish below 413. All right, that's why I picked that level. Bullish above 416. We had a new dark pool level yesterday, really big one actually, 10.7 million at 417.28. So for swing purposes, we'd want to be above that. All right, to go long. However, we could have a retracement trade to it, which is why I made that my last target here on the Whisper. All right, let's head on over to the Russell. There was some unusual options activity yesterday on the put side. Yeah, for the Russell, I did post that in the Java Pit trading room. Today we're going to be bullish above 223.20 and bear below 219.50. And what you'll notice is that we are below the 8 EMA. I'll zoom in once again here, right? We're below it. This is where the 8 is. And we're well below it right here. So it is definitely a lot more bearish than the other indexes. We could head on down to the 90 simple moving average. Bear below 219.50, bull above 223.20. All right, for that we did have a new level, 224.65. So for swing purposes, I would want to be above that before I turn bullish in the bigger picture. All right, let's head on over to the NASDAQ. Pretty quiet yesterday on the dark pool. Also stuck in between the 4 and the 8 right now, but pretty close to the 8. Bear below 337.50. Bullish only above 338.50. Let's head on over to the E-minis, the futures. Let's check those guys out. All right, bullish above 41.60. Bear below 41.35. Let's head on over to the oil futures, except, hold on a sec. Just gonna bring my Thinkorswim over. All right, here we go. Yeah, if you don't have these pivots on your chart, yeah, I highly recommend. They are so amazing. Yeah, we are going to teach you how to do that in the training pit. Yep, if you don't know how to do that, come on over and we'll show you how to put these on, because it's a huge edge. Yeah, you can see we bounced right off this Camarilla right here. Today we're going to be bullish above 64.40 all the way up here. I spotted a lot of volume. Okay, let me just circle that volume for you. Look at this. Yeah, 4:30 in the morning. They were selling pretty hard right there. So that's why I went up higher on the bullish above. Now, if we did see a huge volume spike at the bottom, which yeah, we have half of a spike here, so perhaps it'll kind of retrace halfway, but not as big as the selling that happened over here. Bullish above 64.40, bear below 63.60 for the oil futures. Let's head on over to gold futures. See what's going on there. We are below the pivot. Bullish above 1778. Yeah, I definitely want to be above. Yeah, just draw a line here. I'd like to be above here for the bull trade. Bear below 1762.50. So yeah, really going down here. Pretty big no trade zone there. I'll be going over futures tomorrow in the training pit, teaching you how I use them to trade. Really important, yeah, which is why I map these out every morning for you. It's really important to know where the futures are, and I'll be teaching you why tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Let's go to Bitcoin futures. Yep, Bitcoin futures, big volume just came in right now. We are going to be bullish above 56,200. We just hit our first target. Look at that. See, this is how cool this is. See how we came right up to this green line? That's my pivot. Yep, and that's why computers sold and we've moved down now, which is why I chose that for my first target right here. We're going to be bearish below 400 for the Bitcoin futures. Okay, let's head on over to the individual stocks. And we're going to go to Tilray, T-L-R-Y. All right, this one looked interesting. Looked like it could be forming a rounded bottom. I'd really like it to break above the 8 EMA. So bullish above 1850, bear below 1750 if it does start to pull down, you know, below this 200. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Yeah, trying to get my zooming thing going here. Yeah, right here. This is support. This red moving average, 200 simple moving average, which you'll hear me call jelly, peanut butter and jelly right here. Yeah, major support. If we break below that, yep, then look out down below. And then, of course, right here is our up trade. Let's head on over to NEO. See what's going on with that. Kind of stuck right now between the 4 and the 8 EMA. Bullish above 3750. That's why I gave it a little bit more room on the upside there. Bear below 3650. There's definitely a lot of room to the downside, but I don't like this. See the 5-minute chart here? Yeah, look at all this. Yeah, traffic lights. See a lot of algo battles. So definitely bear below here and a little bit more room on the upside though. Bullish above there. All right, let's head on over to the next one. UAL had earnings, and they don't seem to be very happy this morning. No, not good. Delta was negative, bearish earnings. Yeah, airlines are not doing well this quarter. At least they don't like their earnings. I'm not even going to analyze it. I don't even care what they are. We're just going to trade it, which we've been trading. So bullish above 54, bear below 53.25. And yep, just starting to move down now. If you missed the 25 level, 53. Just check out this this daily chart. Oh, it keeps doing that to me. Sorry about that, guys. For some reason my my Zoom is not working well today. But yeah, this is a very open, wide trade, you guys, to the downside. Yeah, so loving that trade. Okay, let's go to SPCE. Also has a lot of volume this morning and pretty ugly on the daily chart. Just, yeah, this is well below that VWAP too. On a daily, that's uber bearish. Bear below 2047 this morning, bullish only above 2150 for a short retracement trade to the person's pivots or the 4 EMA there. Let's head on over to CCL. All right, CCL touching down on the 50 simple moving average right now. Bear below 26.25. Yep, if we do go below that area, look out below. Bullish above 27.50. Yeah, pretty high up. I just didn't like the bull trade, so I didn't want to get you guys into something that wasn't great. XLE has some decent volume this morning. We've had a lot of dark pool activity on the oil sector, but it seems like they don't want to move it yet. Something is going on behind the scenes. They're still entering their positions soon. Be patient, but today bullish above 49, bear below 47.80 for XLE. Let's head on over to Apple. I know they have their big show today, so it could be a mover. Bullish above 135.50 and bear below 133.50 for Apple. Bank of America has some decent volume this morning and tons of prints, so I like to keep this one on there. Bullish only above 39.40, pretty high up there. Bear below 38.75, just below us. Norwegian, great swing last night below the prints. We're going to be bullish above 28.25 and bear below 27.40. And that's it, you guys. There you have it. Those are your whispers for Tuesday, April 20th. Until next time, happy trading.
No thinking, that's my secret. Can you keep it? My secret. My secret.